Hey, what up guys? As you can see, I got my gloves on because today I'm going to be baking some chicken wings. Sorry, drumsticks. They're going to be half original and half of them are going to be tossed in hot sauce. It's going to be great. So what I have here are the ingredients. Well, no, not the ingredients, but what I'm doing here is I just washed these drumsticks. Now I'm putting them in this container right here. Now I'm gonna pot them dry. Alright, so next I'm going to marinate these in butter, since they're already patted dry. This is rosemary, butter, and some of this seasoning. This is Dano seasoning. Now we're just gonna mix this together. So now I'm going to put these on this glass container here. there it is, folks, the baked chicken. This one was really great to make, and I've done a lot of chicken recipes on this channel, but I think this one really knocks it out the park. And there you see all the burnt bits, the crispy bits, and everything that's on the baked chicken. And let me tell you, like I said before, it was really great. You know, the taste of it was really excellent. You know, with all the seasoning, the butter, including the rosemary. And there you see, I tried to do that tenderness meme, but yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to try it out yourself, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. This is Dr. Jasmine, everyone, saying stay curious and hungry, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.